Hi everyone, my name is Anil Kumar. I am basically from Uttar Pradesh, Mahua, but currently I am staying in Great Noida. I did my graduation from AKT University in IEC College 2020. I enrolled the Evision in 19 July 2022. In this, I learn various modules like CCNA, networking, cybersecurity, virtualization, and Linux. The faculty member of Evision is very kind and they understand the concept very easily and they are very cooperative. Now, after completion of all the modules, I got a interview call and finally selected in Binary Global Limited with the package of 2.4 LPA. Thank you, Evision, for giving me opportunity in IT field.